Hello, welcome to our classes. I'm Dr. K. Kimsra. This video tutorial is on research aptitude. Now come to the question. Question number 1. Which of the following options are the main tasks of research in modern society? 1. To keep pace with the advancement in knowledge. 2. To discover new things. 3. To write a critique on the earlier writings. 4th. To systematically examine and critically analyze the investigations or sources with objectivity. The correct option is A. Fourth, second, and first are correct in series. 2. To test null hypothesis, a researcher uses A. T-test, B. ANOVA, C. chi-square, D. all. Here correct option is D. All or any of these. A research problem is feasible only when A. It has utility and relevance. B. It is researchable. C. It is new and adds something to knowledge. D. All. The correct option is D. All. 4. Bibliography given in a research report. A. Shows vast knowledge of the researcher. B. Helps those interested in further research. C. Has no relevance to research. Or D. All. The correct option is D. B. It helps those interested in further research. 5. Fundamental research reflects the ability to A. Synthesize new ideals, B. Expound new principles, C. Evaluate the existing material concerning research, or D. Study the existing literature regarding various topics. Correct option is B. Expound new principles. 6. What do you consider as the main aim of interdisciplinary research? Here correct option is A. Bring out holistic approach to research. 7. Match list first interviews with list second meaning and select the correct answer from the code given. So here correct option is A. For A, fourth one is correct. A is structured interviews, non-directive. B, first, that is unstructured interviews, greater edibility approach. C, second, focused interviews, attention on the questions to be answered. D, third, clinical interviews, individual life experience. So that's how A is correct. 8. One of the aims of the scientific method in research is to A. Improve data interpretation, B. Eliminate spurious relations, C. Confirm triangulation, D. Introduce new variables. Correct option is B. Eliminate spurious relations. 9. The depth of any research can be judged by A. Title of the research, B. Objectives of the research, C. Total expenditure on the research, D. Duration of the research. The correct option is B. Objectives of research. 10. Research can be conducted by a person who A. Has studied research methodology, holds a postgraduate degree, C. Possesses thinking and reasoning ability, D. Is hard worker. Correct option is A. Has studied research methodology. 11. Which of the following statements is correct? A. Objectives of research are stated in first chapter of the thesis. B. Researcher must possess analytical ability. C. Variability is source of problem. D. All. The correct option is D. All. 12. Which of the following is not the method of research? A. Observation, B. Historical, C. Survey, D. Philosophical. Correct option is A. Observation. Third, research can be classified as A. Basic, applied and action oriented, B. Quantitative and qualitative research, C. Philosophical, historical, survey and experimental research, or D. All. The correct option is D. All. Fourth, the first step of research is A. Selecting a problem, B. Searching a problem, C. Finding a problem, or D. Identifying a problem. Correct option is D. Identifying a problem. 15. The study in which investigators attempt to trace an effect is known as ex post facto research. 16. Generalized conclusion on the basis of a sample is technically known as A. Data analysis and interpretation, B. Parameter inference, C. Statistical inference, D. All. The correct option is A. Data analysis and interpretation. 17. Which correlation coefficient best explains the relationship between creativity and intelligence? The correct option is A. 1. 18. Action research means. Correct option is C. A research initiated to solve an immediate problem. 19. Research is. Correct option is C. Working a scientific way to search for truth of any problem. 20. The experimental study is based on. Correct option is A. The manipulation of variables. 21. The main characteristic of scientific research is A. Empirical, B. Theoretical, C. Experimental, or D. All. The correct option is D. All. 22. Authenticity of a research finding is its. Correct option is C. Objectivity. 23. Which technique is generally followed when the population is finite? Systematic sampling technique. Correct option is C. 24. Probability sampling implies A. Stratified random sampling, B. Systematic random sampling, C. Simple random sampling, or D. All. The correct option is D. All. 25. Research problem selected from the standpoint of. Correct option is C. Social relevance. 26. Which one is called non-probability sampling? So correct option here is B. Quota sampling. 27. Formulation of hypothesis may not be required in. Correct option is B. Historical studies. 28. Fieldwork based research is classified as. Correct option is A. Empirical. 29. Which of the following sampling method is appropriate to study the prevalence of AIDS among male and female in India in 1976, 86, 96, and 2006? 6. The correct option is B. Systematic sampling. 30. Which one of the following principles is not applicable to sampling? Correct option is B. Sample units must be dependent on each other. So this was all about this particular video tutorial. I hope that you liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel or classes and press the bell button and pass it on to others, those who are needy now and in the future. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.